Well, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to be working on Cookie Monster, which is your 30s. First question is asked is, what does the big M stand for? And that stands for moles of solute over liters of solution. What does the abbreviation for mole? It is MOL. That is the abbreviation for mole. The reason we bring this up is a lot of people will want to start using a big M for mole, and that's not correct because the big M equals moles over liters. Will a big M ever show up in the mathematics of a factor label problem? So you got some grams here, multiplication sign, grams, moles, and you keep on going, and you keep on going, but you'll never see a big M ever show up on any of these steps. You may see it show up as an answer, but you'll never see it in the actual mathematics of a problem. So if you ever put this big M into a factor label problem, you did something wrong. So we're going to solve number 4, and number 4 will be the only problem that we solve. It's to teach you a new methodology. Do realize as you're going down the front side, there are answers over on the right-hand side of each problem. So this is a new kind of problem. We have 50 grams of potassium hydroxide. It gives us the molar mass. It wants to know how many liters of 0.345 molar solution can you make. Well, this right here, I would probably cross this out and write moles over liters, because that'll help you out as you're going through the problem. I'm going to start with the 50 grams of KOH. And my end game is I want to know how many liters. So I have grams there. Grams of KOH have to go down here. You're on gram island. The only place you can go to is mole island, so it's going to be moles of KOH. I do not want my answer in moles of KOH. I want it in liters of KOH. So I put a multiplication sign, moles of KOH on the bottom. Now, this is where something that is new. We talked about it yesterday. We have mole island, and then we can go down to liter island. And to do that, we use molarity to do that. So we can go from mole island down to liter island. So we can go from moles of KOH to liters of KOH. Now we're going to pop in some numbers. So moles and grams, grams and moles. That's the molar mass. So 56.10 grams in 1 mole. Moles and liters, liters and moles. That is molarity. It told us the molarity is this right here. So there are 0.345 moles in 1 liter. So molarity is a conversion factor. So the 1's going to go with the liters, and the 0.345 will go with the moles. We will at this point in time have our answer in liters of KOH. We do the mathematics, and we get 2.58 liters of KOH. And that is the correct sig figs. So in the rest of the problems on this page, you'll be using this step, which is molarity that is given to you in the problem. So you'll be using molarity as a conversion factor. So go ahead and do the front and the back. Come in for help if you need it.